Hi guys, I'm Sam from Pixiwoo and Real Techniques. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really easy glowy summer party look. You can follow along because I'm going to use products from Superdrug and Real Techniques brushes. Let's get started. So this makeup is glowy and it's summery, so we need to start with skin prep. We're going to start by using the Real Techniques Prep and Prime set. I'm taking the facial cleansing brush and I'm going to squeeze some of this Nip and Fab Glycolic Scrub Fix just on the top there. Dampen your skin beforehand and then take this and circular motions all over the skin, just to make sure we've got a really nice even surface to work on. Then using a damp face cloth, just remove that. Nip and Fab eye cream, and taking the under eye reviver, we're just going to run that all around the eye. This stainless steel is really cooling, so if you find you get puffy, this is brilliant. You can keep it in the fridge as well. I'm going to pop some lip balm on with our lip smoothing brush. This is just helping us get rid of any dry skin there. Finally, I'm going to take my prep brush. You can use this with primer or with moisturiser, or you can use it with face masks. I'm just popping a little bit of Eucerin moisturiser. Prepped and primed and ready for foundation. I love this brush. Okay. Complexion blending brush, and I'm going to take Rimmel Lasting Finish Foundation and I'm just going to squirt straight onto the brush and then work that in. Circular motions, really quick. This brush just makes light work of a lovely base. It has a little indent cut into the top of the brush, so you can just pop your foundation on there and work it in really easily. We'll come back to that brush a bit later. Okay, I've got two Rimmel eyeshadows. This is Millionaire and this one is VIP Pass. We're going to start with Millionaire. Using the medium shadow brush from the Enhanced Eyes set, we're going to pop some Millionaire all over the eyelids. And this is going to give us a really nice glowy bronze look. Then take your Essential Crease brush, just blend out the edges so it's really nice and soft. If you get any fallout, just go back to your complexion blender brush and just get rid of it under the eye. Next, onto the shading brush from the Enhanced Eye set, we're just going to run this through the socket and the outside corner. Back to our crease brush and just blend it in. Let's get some party involved in this look. I am using Bourjois waterproof pencil. This is number 47, Purple Night, and I'm going to run this along the lashes. Along the top, and also along the waterline. Just using our crease brush to blend it. And then onto mascara. This one is Max Factor 2000 Calorie Curl Addict. Now, to get the most out of your mascara, you're going to want to brush them through and add a second coat. I'm using my lash separator. This is also from the Enhanced Eye set, and I'm just combing them through to get rid of any clumps so that I can pop another coat straight on top. And this is going to give me the biggest, flutteriest eyelashes possible without having to add falsies. And you can keep going with that until you get exactly what you want from your lashes. Concealer time. I've become obsessed with this brush for concealer as well. This is the medium shadow brush, so the same brush that I was using first of all with the first eyeshadow. And I'm going to pop some concealer just under the eyes. It's such an amazing brush for concealer. You have so much control. Okay, onto cheeks. This is Max Factor Miracle Glow Duo Pro Illuminator. And we're going to use our complexion blending brush and take the slightly darker colour, which has a real glow to it, and work that all over the cheek. Chin, across the nose, and forehead. And this is going to give us that lovely summery glow. And then we're going to take our contour brush, and this one is from the Flawless Base set. I'm going to take the light colour, and we're just going to pop that just on the tops of the cheekbones. Add a little bit of light there, down the nose, through the forehead. Now I'm going to take the buffing brush. This is also from the Flawless Base set, and I'm just going to set with a little bit of powder. So anywhere you don't want shine, so under the eyes is always a good idea. I'm going to finish with a little bit of Rimmel Kate lipstick in number 48. And there's your quick, easy and affordable summer glowy party look. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.